Hi and welcome to this video. It's a quick sort of troubleshooting tutorial for GNS3 and using your VMware workstation or VirtualBox. It's also to do with the cloud connectors. I've had a problem in the past where I've had a strange error come up in the GNS3 console, and I've also seen it on the forums a couple of times, so I thought I'd make this quick video to show you how to get over it, and hopefully it will help someone, because I've certainly experienced it and resolved it. So let's dive in. So here I've got my VMware workstation, currently using workstation 11, but this works for all versions. And under here we've got our virtual network editor, and this allows us to create virtual networks to connect different virtual hosts, keep them separate inside sort of the GNS3 environment. It's great. With the new version 11 you can create up to 20 VNets, so that's why we're opting for this one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a new one. I've got existing ones here, as you can see, but I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to add number 10, I think, is free. Have we got number 10? No, so we're going to add a new network. We're going to select number 10. I've never used this one before, but this bug can come from if you remove one and add one back in, you'll experience the same issue. So let's create a new one and I can show you what we mean. So we're just going to take off the local DHCP server. I don't require it, I don't need it. We'll use it purely as a local host to keep it contained. So we'll apply and OK that. That's now going to install that virtual adapter for us. Now if we do this sort of before using the GNS3, I'll show you the little quirky error that we can get that I sometimes see. And of course I'm using version 1.37, which currently is the latest. And the guys are doing a great job down there at GNS3. And so look, conversion to version 1.4 while recording this video. So some of these things may well iron out, but they do such a wonderful job anyway. This is a small price to pay. So dragged on my cloud, and we're going to configure this now, and we're going to select the adapter we've added. So I've got a few there, but we've just added number 10 to the network. So this bit works fine. We're going to add this in, apply that, OK. And this is sometimes where people will add, I tend to add an Ethernet hub in between my connections just because of the way I tend to do it. It keeps it easy for me. And we'll make a connection from one, and if we look at the console now, bam, there we go. Server error. Unable to connect the generic Ethernet NIO. And this seems to come about when we add a new either loopback adapter or thing. So the best thing to do to resolve this tiny issue is just actually to reboot the machine. But as I was just going to quickly show you, if you've already got one in there, we can take this one out. Say number 1, you're going to be A-OK. Happy days, we're all good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one back, and we're going to take this back to number 10 as we did before. Remove number 1, try and connect them back up, and it fell, but that's no worries. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to save this, and we'll call this cloud connector. Going to save that up. We're going to close. I'm going to reboot my machine, and we'll be back and see the issues gone. So we've rebooted the PC, and we're going to fire up GNS3 again, and we're going to load up the same network as before, the connector one. Here we go under recent projects, connector, cloud and hub. Here we go. 1. And we're connected, and that's it really. It's just that small reboot gets us up and running, and we have a working cloud connector. So we can just double check. Yep, that's set to 10, so everything's good. Now we can add and remove that cloud to many different projects. It's only if we actually remove the service from VMware Workstation or add a brand new in, that's the only time we need to reboot. So that's why I could add say VMware 1, I could add 11 or any of the others, because we've rebooted since adding those. So there we go. I hope that helps people out, and hopefully get connecting your virtual machines to your GNS3. It's a great way of testing things out. You can build yourself a server, a PC, we can connect into a whole sort of network and everything. It's great. I've had great fun doing it and using different images. So hope it's been useful. Keep an eye out for more videos on their way from me. You can find me on the Jungle at DJ John Murray, and also you can follow me on Twitter if you wish, and again at DJ John Murray. Feel free to follow, and posting all sort of networky bits, GNS3 bits up there as well. So thank you.